me throwing rocks. He likes it. Look.
What are you doing? Bloop. Oh. That's Dewey. That's a big one. Whoa! Woo. Paisley, what are we doing? We're out in nature. Isn't this so nice out?
Yeah.
Daddy's making a mess.
Yeah.
Look at all that nasty stuff in the water.
Yeah, that's gross.
A bug just flew on my head. I'm out here in nature
Look,
where I belong.
look at those. Look,
What?
at the tree.
I know, look at all those roots. You can like have a hideout down there.
Yeah, you can literally hide under a thing. Because, and this is a really good
Be careful.
tree to climb because you can climb it.
I know. I don't know how sturdy it'd be though. That's a kind of a thin little branch.
Yeah.
Your mom used to climb trees like crazy all the time. And my legs would get so cut up.
What are you doing?
Taking a video.
For what?
I don't know.
Hi.
Hi.
You guys ready to move on?
Yes, let's do it. Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Peace.